Now, this is just a quickie little video in the middle of the night for those of you who enjoy the electronic side of things that I do. I've been working on some prototypes. Now, this is a prototype based on these little LilyGo ESP32 or ESP82 display modules. Now, you can buy them in a little keypad module that's already prefabricated. This little add-on is going to become a custom manufactured board. You can buy them in a case like this, and they come with the battery pre-installed underneath as well. I've got the battery disconnected, but that module on the top here does include a lithium battery charger as well. In any case, this is going to be an access control device for a larger machine that is currently copyrighted. I can't talk about that. But I've been tasked with making a prototype to make it lockable. So we have a GPS module here, which will basically, it has a real-time clock module with a little supercapacitor here, but it will use either a GPS, a Baidu, or a GNSS satellite basically to get the time. And from that we can get epoch time, and therefore we can calculate the date. Now this will determine what month you're in and card you for a code for the particular month. We can boot this one up and have a look at what's going on here as well. And at the moment inside it's not likely to get a satellite. We can see here it's saying there's no satellites, there's no fix. In the meantime it asks for a temporary pin, and that will unlock it for an hour. You can slap this 3 times and it will put it into child lock mode as well, because there are 2 relays. If I turn off child lock, see one light comes on here. If we were to put the temporary pin in, we can do that. We should get both in, which means both the interlock and the operate relay are enforced. We have a red light from the relay here saying, or from the GPS rather, saying that we don't have a lock yet. That'll change color later. This is a little buck boost converter to take 12 volts or whatever voltage we get down to 5 volts. We also have behind here, we have a logic level converter. Takes 3.3 volt logic level from this unit to 5 volt logic level to run the relay unit. So I've tried to make this as compact as I can, and in the future this will become another piggyback module that will sit on standoff screws on the back there. Or if I can get some smaller relays, maybe pack it in under the gap here, and we will have the proper mains voltage isolation slots done on that as well. But for the most part, this is the unit. We do have a reset button here. We can reset it on the top, and maybe later on I can put right into the menu to use these up and down buttons to allow microwave timer style operation as well. But I just thought it might be interesting to see some of the prototyping going on. Anyway, we'll catch up with these in another video, and yeah, we'll show you what it's like later on.